Hello guys, today I'm going to talk a little about my Pioneer remote control which I have on my steering wheel. It looks like this, and this one is an infrared unit, and when I have it in my Vanagon on the steering wheel like this, the ER receiver on the Pioneer radio is over here, way from the steering wheel. Should be here, but anyway, it's over here. So when I use the steering wheel in different angles, let's see if I can put this one back. Ooh! When I use the steering wheel, you see the remote clicking and clicking, clicking, nothing. There it goes. Now it works. Over here, nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh. But up here, it's working. This is very annoying because when I drive I hold my hand like this, so it covers the ER sender transmitter. But my friend AliExpress has this nice ER extender which works on a USB cable. So now I will install this one in the car and hopefully to extend the range of the remote controller. I have bought this USB converter which has two USB A ports. I just connect it to my other USB plus over the ignition and then earth it of course over here. So now I can use this one. I have tested the little USB, no not USB, the ER transmitter, and it works excellent around this area, but it will not work when I stick it to the dashboard, so I need to put it on the side here. So I don't like that idea, so I have figured out if I put it here, if I place this tiny little ER transmitter here, it will transmit the signal up to the radio very easily. Finally did it, guys. Now it's working on the top of the steering wheel and all the way to the bottom. No problem at all. Fantastic, eh? The sensor I have installed, let me show you. I did install the ER receiver over here, so then it has a short way to the remote controller, and wiring to the transmitter is under the mat, and it goes all the way. Here it is. Now it works all the way to the radio, even if it's in fifth gear, because when I put the sensor over here, the gear lever was in the way. So this is the place I have come up with, and it seems to be working. So there we have it, guys. Finally a working remote control for my Pioneer car audio system. Fantastic. Should be a pleasant drive from now on. So now I can stop irritating about this remote. I have to push it around the steering wheel to make it work like this, but now it can be like it should be, and everything should be good. Fantastic. Highly recommend the mod. Links for it up in the corner as usual and down below, so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.